The BM25 is an easy-to-use, portable, heavy-duty machine, enabling bevels up to 25 mm wide to be made in just 2 passes. Continuously adjustable bevel angle between 0 and 90 degrees. Maximum bevel width of 25 mm to be achieved in just 2 passes. Producing a flat surface such as lands, root faces at 0 degree. Cladding and other wear-resistant coatings removal at 90 degrees. Continuous milling depth adjustment. Variable spindle speed to optimize cutting conditions. Face milling beveling head for smooth operation and exceptional efficiency. Guide rollers make it easy and light to operate. Chip guards on both sides. Operator can individually adjust the position of the grip and handle to make work easier. Adjustable handle and grip for comfort and ergonomics. Powerful motor with electronic speed control from 1800 up to 5850 RPM. Continuous milling depth adjustment. Continuous bevel angle adjustment between 0 and 90 degrees. Guide rollers make it easy and light to operate. A single head works with the face milling method, allowing less milling resistance and effort for the operator.